Next, to protect yourself at all times. Touch him up, go back to the corner.
What's they could possibly want going into their first pro fight?
Here we go. It's not going to be fought from the outside. Fallon on the back foot.
Fallon.
Oh, and a wild one. Almost fell underneath the bottom rope. Jamie Fallon much shorter, circling his man in centre ring. Some good jabs there, in fact, from Nazir Kahir. And Fallon screaming it on, saying, let's fight.
Plenty of fight in this little man.
It's a mile apart in these terms. And it goes one round. We are going to head to the stools, perhaps. No, just standing in the corner is Kahir. Alex Waimara just lifted Jamie Fallon onto his stair. How brave are these two?
Stay back. Stay back, Paul.
Oh, Fallon, he is fired up.
Fallon's raring to go.
Two men touch gloves. You heard the instructions from Billy Hussain for the bigger man, Nazir Kahir, to stand and jab. He just called him a big such and such. First time Naz has been called big in his life.
It's on like Donkey Kong in the middle of the ring.
Trying to get Naz to be a little bit reckless here is Jamie Fallon.
Jamie Fallon feigning his opponent out.
A little bit of a Benji Marshall sidestep there. Again, Naz standing his ground. Fallon doesn't want to get in close. There is a size difference. The blow-ups are big.
Jamie Fallon disputing that punch after the bell.
Good boy, Jamie. You're winning, okay? You're winning the fight. Good boy. How do you feel? Good boy. Good boy. More running and dancing. Dance now. Make you miss. Make you miss, okay? He's a lot stronger than you, Jamie. Yeah, a lot stronger than you. Yeah. But you're faster, and you're not. That's not. Jamie, look at me.
Take a look at some of the action from round number 2. And Fallon just charges in. Can't believe he called Naz big. Fox Sports bringing you something a little bit different. The referee looks like Andre the Giant. And Stevie Marshall's only 5'6". Oh, Fallon. Caught one on the outward movement there. Naz Kahir would certainly love to finish this. The hammerhead. Oh! Telling shot from Kahir.
Does the uppercuts and the right hooks by Kahir. Fallon egging him on. Come get some, he says. Unfortunately, they're only 1 minute rounds. We don't have a whole lot of time to be showboating.
Both guys part-time actors. Young Jamie's a tattooist by trade. A metal caster is what Nazir is. See, we might have a rematch here. We're going to go into the final round. And if the judges can't decide here, and Jamie's not happy, and he doesn't look happy, this little fella, we may well be going again.
Enjoy yourself out there. Caution to the wind and have some fun.
In fact, some good punches from Nazir Kahir in that third round. Now, were we selling them short a little for 1 minute rounds?
I think so.
I think the guys could have probably pushed a little further.
Could have punched out another minute.
Yeah. Jamie Fallon in the black.
Jamie Fallon with his hands nice and high this time.
Naz standing in the centre of the ring like King Kong.
Come on, boys,
The look on Jamie Fallon's face would scare most. Still just a little tentative going in. Throws a wild right hand. Takes a right. In fact, a double from Naz. Final 10 seconds. And the bell is about to sound on the little man's